in this series of GoLang tutorial what is struct, okay, and how to use struct. So if you need so previously we have seen how to define variables, how to define if for loop, how to use the constant, and we have also seen how to use the global variable that we define out of the method. Today we'll see the structure, okay. So to define the structure we will use type and then the name of the structure, so I'll call it employee, and then the keyword struct will be used to define this, okay. Now an employee can have name which will be a string, an employee can have age which will be int. So we have defined a structure employee, and let's see how to use it. So in the main method I'll use a variable employee emp1 and var emp2. We don't need semicolon in GoLang, okay. So let's try to initialize this. emp1 dot name equal to Amit, emp2 dot age equal to 40, emp2 dot name equal to Kiran, and emp2 dot age equal to 36. Now if you need to print it, let's print it. fmt dot printf value of employee1 %s/n comma emp1 dot name since this is the duplicate, the same thing that we are doing, so I'll just remove this. So we have defined a structure and we have defined its type employee1, let's call it okay. Now age, name, okay. So we have defined employee1 name and employee1 age. Okay, it is not needed. D, since age is of type integer, that's why %d will be needed, and name is of string, so %s will be there. Let's save it and then run this. So value of employee1, okay, it's since I have added it at the beginning, that's why it went. Let's copy it. You can see it's getting printed. I just want to position it at the end, since this is the same file that I'm using for all the programs. So if you are following the playlist, you will understand easily that before this I have done the pointer program. Now let's call it again so that we can see value of employee, name Amit, and age 40. Okay, so today we have seen how to use the structure, okay, how to define the structure, and how we can call the structure from here. Okay, so this is from the structure part. You can also use structure in the method as well. Okay, so instead of like you can pass like how you are passing the normal variables, you can pass the structure as well in the function. So if you need to see struct example, and I'll use maybe emp employee, and here I can call fmt dot printf. Maybe I'll copy these two things from here, and since I have used emp, so I'll just use emp here, and I can call this from here. I'll send employee 1 from function, just to distinguish like the output. Okay, this is the normal call within the same method. This is how the structure can be passed in the function as well. Okay, so let's call this. So you can see value from function, it got printed as well. So this is how you can call and use the structure in GoLang, and this is how you can define it. Till now we have seen functions, methods, arrays, variables, constants. If you have missed any of the videos, I would suggest to go and watch the previous video. And if you think the videos are helpful, do like the video and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any question, write in the comment section. We'll try to answer those as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching.